With the remix, these boys all my sons like Phoenix. My city and state never ever seen this. Jimmy Neutron, I'm a young boy genius. On a futon, I'ma give it that penis. When it's just done, I'ma fill up arenas. Ooh, like Gilbert Arenas. Shoot my shot, I'm still with the demons. Ooh, I keep it thorough. I got 5 chicks in New York, that means 1 in each borough. I'm in the pocket like Burrow. When I'm back home, no, they treat me like Robert De Niro. Took her to talk about.
Good morning, brother. Good morning.
I left it in, now I got a €1. Zeros on zeros on zeros. That's what my bank account balance say. I got a check from a shoe company, now I do anything the New Balance say. I bought her a plane to get out of state. I got me a shorty from Roundaway, said I'm in town today. She said she coming over and she down to stay. I got a hit, she been playing that shit, so when she pull up on me, I know what she about to say. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that bitch like Stockton.
What it do, Manuel? What it do, brother? The chat right here. Yo, you know, guys don't know how many times I've hopped onto the charts and been like, oh, it's bullish now. Then it fucking melts, and then I'll be like, oh, it's fucking beautiful for longs. I mean, and then I'll be like, oh, it's time for it to short, and then it goes long, and then I'm like, all right, it looks like it's a long now, then it's short. Literally about 4 times it's happened today. I wouldn't just say that. I'm literally super serious. Definitely. I mean, the daily on gold was having me think that we were going to flip bullish, but it was a fake out. Why do I say fake out? Because the whole daily wick, this was a huge wick to the downside, and it just looked like it was getting ready to explode, but it was hanging out there too much. So I bet you everybody was looking at the daily thinking it's going to go bullish, and then it just, boom, just dumped on it. GJ was a little bit more predictable that it was going to melt due to the fact that, let me erase everything from the chart. It's the daily. But the thing is, dude, the thing is, like, how many times are we going to actually reach this level of resistance and not fly? So this was like, I'm pretty sure we lost yesterday taking a long, and the long looked something like this. I'm pretty sure it was something like this. I had it on the screen just recently. But we took a long, got stopped out, then it ended up fucking stopping us out and then playing. And then again, this level was, I think we again, yet last night we took something like this again. Fucking entered, went into some profit, and then it just fucking melted and knocked us out. So twice. I mean, I have to fix the record to begin with. We've lost twice. So the record, 16, I don't know if that's a 16 or 17, but that does have to turn into 8, 9. That's not the best. I lost twice in a row right now. We need a banger today, boys. We need a banger. Look at gold. Just go. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. What it do, Lamelo? I'm doing good. I am doing good. I'm excited for today's session. I know it's a little bit late, but price action definitely was not moving into my favor. I probably would have lost if I took a trade earlier. I sent a signal very early during that was probably like Asian session. I got clapped. This wick fill was not too bad of an idea to go for. Anybody currently in any trades that they want to share with us while we look for our next positions? I'll start breaking down each pair right now really soon. Just anybody want to share with us any positions so far? And yeah, boys, let's try to get some fucking bangers in today. How many times did we, dude, like what? Like, I'm telling you, if we get to this level of resistance again, I mean, I just gotta go long. Like, I have to. There's no way we just keep on bouncing off of it like that. Up to the moment, I would not take a long. I don't care if we're at the bottom of this level of support. Definitely wouldn't take a long right now. And when it comes down to gold, I mean, gold's 15 minutes about to close in 4 minutes. Realistically, what I would expect right now is for this price to jump up a little bit, leave a huge wick, and then the next candlestick to just dance around in this range area. I don't think it's going up or down yet. I think that wasn't too much volume. And we're trading beneath the 50 SMA, so this could be a quick zap up, right? You know, when we trade beneath the 50 SMA and then it quickly recovers and starts going. I mean, do we have any examples here? I mean, this is the cleanest example I could possibly find. 4 hours trading underneath it, then quickly recovered. That's probably the move I'd be going for right now. Like, that's what I'm looking for. Just need some confirmation. Boys, we got freaking Atletico playing today against Barca for the Copa del Rey. Isn't that wild? I bet you we got a whole bunch of Barca fans in here. Wow, the DXY fucking also melted out like that. How does that even make sense? If the fucking DXY is melting, how is gold also melting? That just makes no logic. I mean, we could identify the bearish structure real easy here when we're looking at this. Hindsight, obviously. This is the corrections phase, impulse phase. Correction phase, impulse phase. Correction phase, impulse phase. Correction phase. I mean, realistically, we're waiting for the impulse to the downside now. I just don't know about that sell for myself. What am I betting on? I actually have no idea. Those type of games I like watching them live and then betting live. So like Atletico score really early, I'm probably going for Barca to turn it around and win. If Atletico score mid-game, halftime, then I'm going for Barca to score fucking first 15 minutes of the next half. If it's a 1-0 game from either or and it looks like they're not going to score a lot of goals, I'm going to go for the 1-1. If it's a 1-0 game and the other team sucks completely, I'm going to go for the fucking 2-0. Oh, let's go look at GU. I feel like GU might be in a cleaner position. Let's go look at the US 30 after GU. And if, boys, if you guys have any pairs that you guys want me to check out and trade, check out and break down, I will gladly do that. Look, GU looks a lot cleaner than GJ right now. GU definitely looks a lot cleaner than GJ. Now, not much to fucking map out here, but we are at a specific level of resistance where we should start seeing sells nonetheless. I would bet that we'd go straight through it. This is the first setup that I'm going to put on the screen today. Usually the first setup of the day ends up playing out. We're not going to take this trade, but we are going to put it on the screen and see if it plays out. Just out of my curiosity. So imagine we hop into the trade, automatically draw down. I'm going to put that right there. Imagine this actually fucking smacks, chat. That's going to be funny. Damn, gold's still melting. 15 minutes about to close in 1 minute. We're about to get this candlestick closure right now. New candlestick just opened. Oh my god, imagine that one just keeps on melting out. New 30-minute candlestick. When does this 4 hour close? That's a good question. 2 hours. Alright. Jesus Christ. What do you guys think is going to happen right now? One's in the chat if you guys think it's going to go up. Two's in the chat if you guys think it's going to go down. I think it's going to go down. Jesus. Look at that. It's just... Oh my god. The thing with big candlesticks like this is that the next candlestick has to at least represent fucking half of its fucking height. I'd say it has to be almost the same size. It has to have somewhat some sort of the same volatility. I love how everything is going down. Stocks, Forex, gold, crypto. Yeah, that's very... Yeah. You love how everything's going down. I would love how everything was going up. Damn, dude, if I was still taking repetitive sells on GJ right now, like a maniac, like I was in fucking January, this would be the moment. This would be the moment. Y'all remember when I was on my sell vibes? Let's go look at US 30 real quick. So US 30, you guys say, is also dying. NASDAQ as well. We opened up bullish, and now we're just going bearish. Yeah, that's a strong bearish sign. Damn, dude, if GU actually comes down a little bit more, I really don't mind taking a GU long. Like, I would take it anywhere from... I'd take it from anywhere like this. If it comes down to here somehow, let's keep our eyes on this shit. I definitely will take it. Where do we take it early? The thing is, GU doesn't move too much. So if I throw such a big stop loss, it's just never going to hit. My take profit won't ever hit. I hate that shit. Oh my god, is that the new 15-minute? Yep, that's the new 15-minute. I told you, boys, that this candlestick, the new 15-minute, has to represent somewhat the same fucking height or volatility as the last candlestick. That's why I'm just like, oh shit, this thing's gonna really do something. Damn, that's a whole fucking 450 pips melt, bruh. That Anas gave makes me feel like he took gold buys. I feel like there's somebody here in the chat that took gold buys right now. Somebody has in gold buys. Now they got clapped off of it, and they might be re-hopping in right now. And then they're like, well, how the fuck is this guy know and reading my mind right now? I've been there, done that. Been there, done that. Ain't going back. Alright, I feel like GU is our strongest bet so far that we have up on our screen. Like, if we want to take a trade right now, I think GU is probably the best. Not taking any trades till next month! Oh my god. Boys, well, I want to start the Challenge Pass series again, because last time the challenge, I don't remember how the Challenge Pass, it was, I had the problems with the leveled up account because I was making too much money on it, and I had the consistency rule. I have new accounts that I want to start trading on live stream. I have to start a batch of accounts that I have, and I'd love to pass them on live stream with you guys. I feel like that was helping my viewership count, helping you guys come back. The way that would work for those few people that are here right now, which is I'll grab an account, obviously show you guys the account, whatever size account it is. I'll tell you guys how much I'm going to be risking per trade, and we're only going to be risking one trade a session. So if we come back every single day at the same time, we'll probably do it during New York. Even if we hop on and stream earlier, we'll only take the trades during the session that we call out. Or at least we'll talk about it before in Discord and be like, all right, we're going to call a trade during this session. We'll find a way to keep everybody on the same page to be able to take the same trades. Now, you guys either win with me, you guys either lose with me. If you guys start the challenge and you guys start losing with me, I'll obviously, like, imagine we start the challenge and we're all down 3%. I'm obviously going to make sure I come back to the next day as soon as possible and we start figuring out, right? But we could lose, we could win, right? But you guys have the chance of doing it with me, side by side. Yeah, very, 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 very simple. So imagine this would be the one trade of the day. I'd be like, all right, boys, here's the account. We're going to risk 1%, blah, blah, blah. We write that all in the Discord so people that aren't on live stream can go to the Discord, see where the Challenge Pass thing is. I'll put Challenge Pass series section, and then we'll just go doing updates on it. Yeah. I want to do it. We've done it before. I always start off fucking 2% drawdown type shit. And then I probably lose a whole bunch. I probably lose half the people when they fucking lose the first trade. But yeah, I'm down to do that. I'm down to do that. I'm ready to start. Today is more of day 0. Day 0 just means that we're getting ourselves prepared for day 1. Could day 1 be tomorrow? I want it to be tomorrow. Could it be after tomorrow? Who knows? It really just depends on what the people are saying, what we decide. This is still gonna go down. What about GJ? GJ gives me vibes that it's starting in the recovery. Man, is that it's gonna be hard for me to play the long, like take a long on this gold right now. It would really come down to us just feeling like it's not gonna melt out anymore. Like it would just be you know, not really. There's not really much that we could do here besides trust bullish price action. And I'm not saying it's a bad idea. I'm just saying, Jesus, I didn't really want to go out like that. I really didn't want to go out like that. I mean, realistically, if I was throwing a stop loss and I wanted to play a conservative, where would my stop loss be? That's the first question I want to ask myself. Damn, dude, how long is this thing? Realistically, if I was throwing a gold trade right now, oh yeah, we're definitely not throwing a gold trade. My 200K account, I don't know if it's got reset. Last night I got word that they are reviewing the trades. They're reviewing the trades. So the second that they review the trades, see that I'm not cheating, they send me the new account, and then they just tell me that the withdrawal is being processed. It is a big stop loss, but that's because I feel like it's gonna come back down. Yeah, I'm not taking this trade. I'm not taking a gold trade like this. It's not a part of the setup. It's not a part of my arsenal. It's more of like we got no trades to take. Let's take something, which I don't feel like doing that. What do I need to do? I need to post this on Discord, Instagram.
Fresh out the chase. You got it off the display. I got it from the wrong way. I got it. Fuck it, I go out the blank. Run through this shit for the fame. Stacking these Benjamin Franks. You rich that don't give you no rank. You thinking it's that, but it ain't. They put on my back in that A.
How long does it take with FTMO? I just got a payment from Funding Pips. Only took 16 hours.
Bitches like Marilyn Monroe. Can't beat me, I'm standing 10 toes.
Not really sure. Takes the round at the same time. Maybe a little bit longer. It takes like 2 days. It really depends. I say that because it really depends on oh my god, I'm watching this guy's story and I hear myself in the background. That's hilarious.
To the flat, take that bit, take it made back down the net. I put the drip on the map, platinum on all of the plats. When I got me, that status. Sunday honest and money, magic. Throw it back on the baddie. All blood, put the mat on the caddy. I'ma get paid automatic. I ain't asking you niggas for credit. I'm in the town, don't need no addy.
1 second, chat. Finishing sending this around.
And I'm right back in the A. Smooth, I ain't leave him no trace. Rest on me, fresh out the chase. You got it off the display. I got it from the wrong way. I got it. Fuck it, I go out the blank. Run through this shit for the fame. Stacking these Benjamin Franks. You rich that don't give you no rank. You thinking it's that, but it ain't. They put on my back in that A. Pulling up all kind of ways. Ay, 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 ay.
All right, ready.
Dougie told me he been on some positive shit, yeah. Lately I just wanna show up and body some shit, yeah. Always been a little mathematician. Lately this cash I'm getting got me losing count of these bags. I've been moving too fast.
All right, I'm ready.
Hard times don't last. Remember when cops are rats? Ass boy, you ain't shit but a bitch with a badge. All my life. They be trying to keep me down.
Well, I don't know what the thing is. Anas and Badass used to be the person that he used to, every time he saw something or I saw something, we'd send it to each other. Now I got nobody to send something to. And I was like, oh, maybe this is gonna make, you know, Xander's day. Maybe he's gonna light up his day a little bit. Feel me?
But I know I'm different. I'm the voice, but the system ain't give me a choice. Know some people that still unemployed. I know a felon who tryna get forward. Child support, your only support. For a visit, I'm going through courts. Went to jail, they was chaining me up. And you know that I'm famous as fuck. See how you gon' joke about still.
All right. Let's focus up, boys. What the hell can we catch? All right, so we got a new 15-minute candlestick that's about to pop out right now in 3 minutes. New 15-minute candlestick. We've seen that bearish momentum has not died down yet, but I mean, it is starting to die down, but it's still present. It's not died down yet. I mean, it's started to die down, but it's still here. As in, like, we're not gonna just take along because we're at the bottom. It's bearish momentum's dying down. Nonetheless, we're still going bearish, but now we got to keep an eye out and feel like, all right, we're going to go for the correction and smack it back down, or are we going to go for the complete, just the correction? Nah, bro. Oh my God. That means that you watched it way too long, bro. High key GU isn't a good setup for us, boys. I feel like I should just go with my instinct. Bro, I think that's something hilarious to run into on Instagram. We might take this trade. I need my iPad to take this trade because I don't think that my account's on this computer. Hold up. All right, I'm back. If we were to take this trade, I think I like where my stop loss is right now. That's 1.26550. 1.26550. 1.26550. Let me see how that looks right here. 1.26550. 1.26550. Is that far away or not far away? 250, where is that? 1.26550. I love how as I'm trying to put this trade, it's just going down. So it just tells me that's complete shit. Bro, with GJ today, I'm telling you, I was like, oh, this thing's hella bullish. Boom, melts out. I'm like, all right, we're ready to melt out. We've reached this major level of support. We're melting out. Boom, we fly. We got to this level of resistance in the morning. I'm like, bro, we're going to take the fuck off. I mean, look at the accumulation of resistance that we have. I mean, Jesus, we are going to rock it. And then it just, like, at this point, literally the opposite of everything that I've thought has happened. Not to scare you guys. I'm not scared. You know, it really is just, it is what it is. But GJ is chopping around right now. This is the bearish candlestick. It should be followed up by another bearish candlestick. 30 minutes says that this candle closes in 14 minutes. In 14 minutes, do we see this 30-minute candlestick going more down or leaving a wick to the downside? I honestly do not fucking know. In 30 minutes, is this candlestick going to leave a wick? If it leaves a wick... No, it's going to go down more. It's going to go down more. It's going to go down more. It's going to engulf it. Engulf it before. It's not going to reject it. It's going to engulf. Come on, keep them coming down. I haven't calculated a stop loss yet. But if I do throw a trade, stop loss would be at 1.26550. 1.26550. That's right here. Damn, it's looking like a short motherfucking stop loss. 1.26550. That's right there. I have not thrown the trade yet, chat. We have not thrown the trade. Let's get one more aggressive fucking movement to the downside before we hop in this.
You got better when you met me, and that ain't coincidental. Tried to bring the best out you. Guess I'm not that influential. Guess I'm not the one that's meant for you. I can hear your tears when they drop over the phone. Get mad at myself cause I can't leave you alone. Gossip and messages, that ain't what we doing. Yeah. Trapping around the world. Over the phone, dropping tears. I get more vulnerable, I do feel. When you drunk, you tell me exactly how you feel. When I'm loaded, I keep it real. Need to tell a real one exactly what it is. Don't say it 'cause you know that's why I wanna be. Early in the morning, late at night. It don't even matter what time it is.
And that's the tale of the Toxic King. Wow, bro.
All right, I'm ready. Let's do this. Yeah, what it do? All the news, prod by Cap. Funding trades is as I haven't been able to trade for 2 days. Wait, funding trades is ass. I haven't been able to trade in 2 days. Damn, boy. I've never even heard of funding trades, to tell you the truth. All right, so the only setup I could find right now on the charts, boys, is probably this GU move. We have a resistance level that's been accumulated to, right? We have our impulse to the top, right? So we can identify that we do have a lot of bullish momentum. So that's already 1 plus. 2 pluses is that we've been at this level of resistance before and we melted out from it before, but now we're here again. That's another plus. What I'm trying to do here is probably have this 1 hour act like it's going to flip bearish, right? There's 10 minutes left in this hourly candlestick. I would not be surprised if this hourly candlestick doesn't even end up flipping bearish and it just ends up closing bullish again. 30-minute candlestick is the only scary part. Now, negative sides of this is that if we start closing at this level of support right here, I expect us to break it. So right now, if we don't reject upwards, then this trade is just completely going to lose if we were to take it. But if it has to reject upwards now, but if we get a closure down here, I mean, look, boys, we already rejected from the support level aggressively. If we were to come back down and close at the support level, I'd expect next candlestick to open and wick fill to the downside. I don't know how long it would wick fill. I don't know if it would just go down and then zap up, but I do expect it to get broken to the downside. And right now, it's looking like it's going to close to the downside. It doesn't look like it's going to reject, but we do got 10 minutes left for the hourly candlestick. In 10 minutes, lock it happen. So we need to keep our eyes on that. That's GU that we're talking about here. Now, when we talk about gold's hourly candlestick also same, closes in 9 minutes. What could we expect? I mean, obviously, if there's a wick that gets left behind, what can we expect the next hourly candlestick to come down and wick fill? This is a gamble, all right? If you guys do want to take longs for the next hourly candlestick, it's just because you guys feel like you guys missed out on the sells. That's truthfully the only reason. The only people looking to take longs on gold are the ones that feel like they missed out on the sells. I don't get tired of saying it. So we're not going to be taking longs on gold. We're going to kind of just react to what price is giving us. The only positive part that I could see is that we're trading underneath this 8 SMA. But the problem with that is that this 4-hour candlestick closes in 2 hours, right? So like, even if we were going to play for this trade beneath and then recover, look how it traded beneath. It closed at the 50 SMA, so it respected it. Then it broke through it, and then it recovers. So it's like, could we do a recovery play here? Yeah, but then we're going to need a new 4-hour candlestick to close, because this 4-hour candlestick, if it comes in and just leaves a huge wick, everything that I circled right now, if that just turns into a wick, then the next candlestick's going to come and just melt it in. You're already in buys? You're in buys? Buy. What buy are you in? Gold? God bless your soul. Oh, I like GJ. I like GJ better. Reason I like GJ is that GJ is above the 188,500. Well, now it is. 188,500 is basically where this little resistance level is right now, this support level. So that means that we're closer to the higher half of the 188 price action. So that means that we're closer to 189. I feel like we're gonna hit 189 before we hit 188. 189 is right here. 188 is down here. We're closer to the 189. I feel like we're gonna go to 189 before we actually hit 188. And this long that we didn't take on GU is starting to look a little bit sketchier due to these closings. I mean, we haven't closed yet, but the way it looks like it's gonna close, I mean, this wouldn't be good. That would not be a good signal. So patience is paying off so far, boys. Patience is paying off. Forex Factory says that we do not have any news today. This is Asian session. We got CPI for the Australian dollar. That's going to bring some price action to some movement to gold. I'm not sure if you guys know the Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar. I think that's like 60% of its money. Or I think it might be 40. I actually forgot the number, but a large percentage. They're like one of the largest people that have the largest. They're one of the countries that have the largest amount of money backed in gold. So whenever we get AUD news and NZD news, we do get gold reactions. So Asian session, we should see gold dancing around. Boys, is anybody in any trades that they want to share with us? Any trades that they want to share with us? I mean, we got Chris here that shared with us. He's in a GJ long. He's the only guy that's not scared to share with us. Everybody else has been like, oh, I'm not in a trade. Bitch, I know you in a trade. There's no way you guys are just watching. There's absolutely no way you guys are just watching. All right. GU ended up melting. I'm glad that we didn't take that. AUD CAD sells. And when did you, pretty face, when did you hop into these cells? I honestly, well, this could be doing exactly what GJ did, and it's like the daily candlestick is baiting that it's getting ready to flip bullish. Can you tell me what indicator you use and this setting? This is the 8 SMA. So I go to simple. Let me just click right here. SMA, you just go to indicators, moving average, simple. You click on it. Once you click on it, the settings that I use 2 of them, right? We're going to add 2 lines. We're going to add 2 SMAs. One of them is going to be length, 8, source, close. I don't know why the smoothing says 5, but this is what the setting is. And then on the other one, you guys could just go back and pause. Length, 50. On the top, input style, MA, red line, the 50 MA, you want it to be red. Visibility, I don't know, whatever. And then the 8 SMA, that's how it looks for me. Well, that's the wicks. 8 SMA. Style, MA, blue, whatever. Labels on price scale, visibility, inputs. You're all welcome. This is kind of reminds me of the same exact setup that GJ was doing before it melted. GJ's daily candlestick. Oh no, I'm sorry. Gold's daily candlestick looked exactly like this. There was wicks to the downside that were going upwards, like this, and then Gold's daily, which is today's daily candlestick. Oh, I'm lagging. What the fuck happened there? I was gonna say that this reminds me of Gold's chart. Gold's chart had, this is the daily candlestick chart that we're looking at for AUD CAD. Gold's daily chart also looked very similar, where we had wicks to the downside, which were indicating that price was pushing upwards. And then our current daily candlestick, which is this one, on gold, it was a huge wick to the downside while it was looking like it was going to flip bullish. That could be a fake out. This could be a fake out. This could be everybody's hopping into buys thinking it's going to flip bullish, and out of nowhere a new candlestick comes and just wick fills. You know, candlesticks can wick fill themselves, right? We don't need a new daily candlestick for us to be like, oh, there's this daily candlestick is gonna end up wick filling and we're gonna go downwards. No, it's gonna happen on the 4 hour, can happen on the 1 hour. You saw that was a 2 hour right there. It can happen on the 2 hour. New candlestick opens to the downside, wick fill, and it's gonna look the same on the daily. On the daily, it's just gonna go downwards. But yeah, candlesticks can wick fill themselves. We'll see what ends up happening there. Now daily on gold looks like this. Before, price was all the way up here, and this was a wick. So we had 1 wick, 2 wicks, 3 wicks, 4 wicks, 5 wicks respecting my 8 SMA. Price was all the way up here. It literally looked like it was going to flip bullish, and now it just BAM! So that was a complete fake out. We had a fake out on gold. If you got to identify the fake out and you caught the sells, congratulations. You goddamn bagged 400 pips. This is taking too long to go bullish. I'm scared for whoever's in GJ buys, but I could be completely wrong. And boom, because I was wrong on GU as well. GU is melting up, but now, truthfully, this is where we got to take advantage of our being patient. Like we were gonna take a buy all the way up here. If we still like the buy, you know, we could possibly take it down here. I'd love for it to go a little bit more down though. Fuck. Is it just me, chat? Is it just me, or today the charts are a little weird? I'm not saying that there's no volatility. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying they're a little bit weird today. Definitely fucking. If I would have taken 4 trades today, I think I would have lost all 4. I'm not even lying, dude. There's no reason to lie. Vip Bulk says, wasn't gold before the move, but closed and haven't got back and missed big opportunity. I'm 0-1 for today. Gold looks like it's about to melt also, but I could be wrong. Ooh, GJ's going. I'm like, all right, we're gonna go for a GU buy. I think GU 100% is the only pair I would take a trade on right now. How does this stop loss look, chat? I need participation. Is this too big? It seems about right. I'm about to take the trade. Stop loss is at 126. We'll put it at 126 400 or 450. 126 400. And I'm right back on Dale. Still got some boys on the payroll. You niggas still tipping Carol. She with a P in LA at the condo. We bout to eat my Giano. Up in the P house, I'm beaming on narcos. Thinking I should take the Bronco. OJ, gotta go get it tomorrow. I'm selling out the Apollo. Inside my body is hollow. Count up, don't wreck, get your post out the ghetto. You know that was always the motto. So nigga won't talk out his side. Alright, boys, we're executing. We are executing, I think. Let's do this. I would have to take a 1.26 400. Where's 1.26 400? Down here. I mean, this is the trade. Do we like it? Or do we hold off? On the 200K account, my 200K account is getting the trades reviewed. They're reviewing my trades to be able to pay out my 9,000. No, not on the 200K account. I thought that's what you meant. No, and I haven't executed it yet. I'm thinking about it. It's going down right now as we speak. Like, and this look, maybe not. Lurks online. What it do, brother? Gold looks like it's going bearish. GJ looks like it's going bearish. So stressful. All right, new hourly candlestick closure across the board, boys. If you guys go and pay attention, we got new 30-minute candlesticks out, new hourly candlestick. Gold's going down. GU looks like it's about to go down also, like with these big ass wicks. Looks like it's gonna come and touch this 8 SMA. Yeah, it's coming down. We were right. It is coming down. I need to use the restroom. While this price comes down, let me use the restroom. Hold up. Let's look at gold real quick. Gold's new hourly candlestick. Gold's new hourly candlestick might do a small little wick fill, then go bullish, or just continue with its momentum. We're going to see right now. This looks like whoever's in the long is about to get fucked. But I could be wrong. EU. Let's go look at US 30 real quick. Did US 30 start doing any recovery? Nope. Well, kind of. And then it died. What about NASDAQ? Boys, remember, if there's any charts that you guys want me to look at, I will gladly break them down for you, look at them for you, give me my opinion. This is a shit show right now. This is bearish as balls also. That is a shit show for NASDAQ. Damn, dude. I wish we were fucking sniper and would have caught these sells up here. I just would have never taken a sell at that zone. GU looks the most tradable right now. Does anybody not agree with me? Does anybody have a different pair that looks more tradable right now? Oh my god, crypto's been suffering, boys. Crypto has been suffering with the big bearish move. I mean, we're getting retracements all across the board, but that's, I think it's just definitely due into the market. With Trump, we had a whole bunch of rallies across the board, whether it was the pound pairs, whether it was gold, whether it was the DXY. What it's interesting now is that we have the DXY, right? The dollar index. The dollar index was, so right now we had a big bull pump on it. So that means the dollar should have gotten stronger. Oh, yeah. We could see that represented in gold. The thing is, for the longest, gold was melting, which means the dollar's getting stronger in relevance to gold. But then the DXY was also melting. So how does that even make sense? All right, are we going to take this trade on GU? I think I want to be a little bit more patient. This does look like it's bearish, continuation, bearish, right? What does that mean? We have a bearish candlestick, continuation candlestick, continuation candlestick. This one most likely is going to be bearish, and that's what we're seeing right now. GJ actually looks like it might be able to make a bullish move right now, respecting these SMAs. Gold, hell no. Gold just barely is about to reach 2900. I think this 2900 level has to get smacked, and we have to start trading beneath it, at least for a little bit. It got touched. Now we're just wick filling everything. There's a wick fill. EU also looks disgusting. Dude, today's been a hard trading day. I'll tell you that. It's been volatile, but like it's like a different type of hard. There's been hella fake outs. It's very rangy, but rangy with volatility, so it doesn't even seem like it's ranging. But like a lot of these trades that we're looking at, we're just stuck in ranges. All right, boys, we're gonna start a challenge pass series tomorrow, or maybe today's day 0 of the challenge pass series, right? What we're gonna do with the challenge pass series, I'm gonna pull out an account on live stream. You guys are gonna be able to see the account. You guys are gonna be able to see every trade I take on that account. We plan on taking one trade a day around the same time every single session, right? So even if we come back for London session instead of New York, I plan on taking the trade around the same period of time so everybody can keep on showing up. When I take my first trade, I want everybody to follow along on their challenges, and then from there, every trade I mean, sometimes the risk will change a little bit because if we're up in profit, we're going to risk the profits for a better trade. But point is, we're going to take it back to the old days and do the Challenge Pass series where we're going to be passing challenges live. So we're going to have an account starting tomorrow, maybe starting Monday, that we're going to all be able to see the account live. You guys, I'm going to tell you, and also we're going to have a section on Discord where we're updating what we did every single day on stream with that trade, right? So imagine I'm going to post the trade, be like, oh, we're at 101,000, we won with GBP longs, whatever. Or before we stream, I'll be like, hey, price is melting, we might risk our profits to see if we could actually catch the recovery, and it might just keep on going along, and we will pass the challenge with that trade. Like, we're gonna be, I'm gonna have a little section on Discord that I'm updating you guys on, but the goal of this is just to be able to do what we always do on live stream, but now with a challenge behind it, right? We always take 1% trades, we always, try to maintain ourselves positive on our win streaks. Now we're just putting the challenge in front of us. What do I think of GJ? I think of GJ as an accumulation of a level of support, right? So we're at this level of support right now, and we've been here before. Most people think that we're going to just reject and bounce off of it. I'm more of the person that thinks if we've gotten to this level of support and we've rejected it and we're back here for a reason, and most likely is to keep on melting to the downside. Best thing we could do is look at the daily candlestick and start giving ourselves an opinion on what we think is going to happen based off of the daily and the weekly. So daily and weekly. Weekly was bullish. It has now flipped bearish. It is basically an accumulation of level of support, right? Same thing here. That's the accumulation of level of support. If this daily candlestick closes like this or even lower, I mean, even the next daily, this looks like it's going to be even more bearish. So buys right now, even if a buy happens, let's say on the 15-minute, right now this thing just flips from bearish to bullish and starts rallying, I don't want to be in that buy. Why don't I want to be in that buy? Because everything's kind of indicating to me that this is going to go down more. I don't know when, but I'd rather not waste my psychology and trade on a short-term long and try to prepare myself for the big move that's actually going to come, right? So this is giving me vibes that we're going to melt out soon. I just don't know when. Gold, I mean, gold bounces around like a motherfucker. Well, the 2900 level got hit. Like I said, boom, we broke it. We finally broke it. Who the fuck knows when this is gonna go along? I goddamn don't. GU is kind of exactly where we started with GU when we said that we would take a long, this exact level, a little bit in drawdown. Let's see what happens with my live account. Let's see if anything actually ended up happening. If it doesn't log in, they said they're reviewing my trades. Yeah, well, the account's still up. I don't know if I'm allowed to take a trade or not, but I got a notification that they're reviewing my trades to be able to pay me out my $9,000. So I obviously am not going to touch this. It said 2 business days. Yesterday was 1. I mean, by today I should have my new 200K account. And then by tomorrow I should have my money, right? Oh! What was the trade that this guy was? AUD CAD. That's still stuck. Boys, if there's any pairs that you guys want me to break down for you guys, I will gladly go and break them down, give you guys my opinion on what I think of them. And if you guys have not liked up the stream yet, make sure you guys like up the stream. It helps the channel grow immensely, so I would truly appreciate it if everybody dropped a like. If we get to 50 likes, I'll do a $50 giveaway. How about that? And we could split it into 225s. We could do fucking 5 10s. We could do 10 5s. I don't give a goddamn hell. We just gotta get to 50 likes. And I really want to catch a trade. And boys, if you guys are not getting ready for the Challenge Pass series, I mean, Jesus, I'm telling you, the only problem we've ever had with the Challenge Pass series, this will be the 5th one. We've done 4. We've passed 3. The 4th, we didn't pass, but we didn't even fucking finish trading it because I got the consistency rule broken. My consistency rule for leveled up trading was broken. And from there, they were asking me on a 50K account to make like 20-something thousand dollars. And that didn't end well. At one point, I was just like, I'm going to gamble this shit. Didn't end well. So this, obviously, I don't have any fucking consistency rule on any of my trades. If you have a consistency rule, you might run into a problem, because I definitely plan on getting up to 2%, 3%, and then from there risking my 3% all in one trade to go to 6 to 9%, etc. That's kind of the way I go with challenge passing. So consistency rule possibly could be a problem. If we have too many people in my chat that are telling me they got a consistency rule, then okay, I will cut trades early and we'll work with it. We'll work around it. But if it's close to none, then fuck that. Funding Pips doesn't have that rule. Funding Pips doesn't have many rules, boys. Let me tell you. Funding Pips, they say that you can't log on multiple accounts. With the last payout that I got for somebody on Funding Pips, which was Hugo's. Hugo might be in the chat right now. That $1,800, I got him on his account after passing it. I knew for a fact, I thought we would have a problem, because I forgot what exactly happened. I'd be lying if I told you exactly what happened, but I know for a fact that I took a trade without the VPN on. And this guy's all the way in New Zealand. I'm all the way here in Miami. This thing fucking still paid us out. And then I remember that I had a similar situation like 2 or 3 months before that also, where I was scared a payout wasn't going to come with Funding Pips because of like this other guy took a trade on his account. I think it was Prod by Cap. I think Prod by Cap, who's also here in the chat. Prod by Cap, do you remember when I passed your challenge and then I gave it to you back, and then out of nowhere you're like, bro, I lost money on it on accident. It's not passed anymore. And I was like, bro. And then out of nowhere you text me saying, oh, I fixed it. We're both in 2 different locations. That supposedly is not allowed to happen. Nonetheless, they give you your live account. Everything was fine. So Funding Pips is super laid back. I've been multiple times given, like multiple times I've kind of like been a little scared due to something, and it's played out perfectly. No, we won't have any problem on the 5th gate. There's no chance. I'm telling you. I mean, I didn't have a problem with Hugo, and Hugo's all the way goddamn in New Zealand or some shit.
If anyone has any objections, speak up now or forever hold your peace.
I feel like these lows still might get broken. I feel like there's a chance, chat, that we have to switch our bias right now and try to snipe these lows back down. I could see this 8 SMA getting broken down. Like, imagine going for I honestly don't mind this trade right now. I feel like more people are with these sells than they were with the buys. We respected the 8 SMA before the hourly candlestick actually closes. It comes back down, disrespects the 8 SMA, closes around here, and then the next candlestick comes and hits the... I think EAs are okay with Funding Pips. I have no idea. I don't really use any EAs. Everything I do is manual, baby. We trade manually here. Manually. God damn it. This thing's actually going to play out. What is gold doing? Gold recovering yet? Gold's going for a small recovery. GJ. I think Malakni wonders he's still in his GJ long. His GJ long and he gets stopped out. Load! I froze. My bad, chat. I think this might go down right now, chat. Let's see. Yeah. I'm telling you, charts of... I mean, this has been choppy. I've seen worse trading sessions, though. I'll tell you that. Because it's been choppy, but at least it's been volatile. Like, we have been bouncing around on price with price, but at least it's volatile. A lot of times we get choppy price action, and this shit's not even fucking moving. But I swear, I feel like, I mean, if we knew that a major news source was coming pretty soon, I'd at least be able to time when that volatility is going to come. Right now, we're just in the open air. Right now, it is an open air game. All right, One's in the chat if you guys like GJ buys. I want to see full participation, chat. One's in the chat if you guys like buys on GJ. If we think we should take some buys on GJ right now, we think we're going to start bouncing off this level of support. You think that this resistance, I mean, the support level is not going to get broken, type 1 in the chat. If you guys think that GJ is meant to go down, support level will get broken, 2's in the chat. 2's in the chat if you guys are bearish on GBP JPY. 1's in the chat if you guys are bullish. We have Ovi, who is bullish. Anas is also bullish. Jesus Christ. We got no bearish people? Pizza King sees its base. I think I'm understanding. He thinks it's going to range, but 2 for tomorrow. Damn, 3 bullish people, 1 bearish person. I'm 2. I'm on the bearish side. So wherever the, you know, mark me in for a 2. If you guys have not joined the Discord, I just barely spammed the Discord down below. If you guys are not following my Instagram, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. If you guys are not subscribed, make sure you guys turn on post notifications. If you guys have not turned on likes, make sure you guys hit the like button, etc. W, because it's already a downtrend. I agree with that. Not pretty hard. I think it's 2 all the way. This, unless, I mean, not all the way. It's hard to be sure. It just looks horrible. I think GU is literally the cleanest pair that we could take. And it hasn't stopped. All right, come on, boys. It's been an hour. It's been an hour, and we have not been able to catch a position yet. We've saved ourselves from a loss. That's good so far, but I really want to be able to dial something in before it gets too late. Let's dial something in already, boys. Honestly, this GJ long is about to look good. Like short-term long. I gotta give it a break. Give it a 5-minute break. Let's go look at Sofa. Let's go look at Sofa score to get ourselves prepared for today, boys. For all the degenerates out here that are getting ready to watch soccer today, there's not Champions League, right? We have Europa League. Where the fuck is... Not Europa League. Where the fuck is Atletico? Where do I go here? Football. It's none of these leagues. I need a fucking... Yo, what's going on? Copa del Rey, that's what I'm talking about. Yo, this shit's ass as fuck.
I didn't come this far just to come this far and not be happy. Okay, remember that.
Like, why am I lagging so much?
Just to come this far. Yep. I saw it on the internet.
There we go, we're here. Yo, I'm lagging. Fucking A, bro. This is not even worth pulling out. Like, what the fuck? All I want to see is the history of their fucking last matches against each other. Can you please give it that to me? Alright. 1-1 Diego Simeone against Flick, whatever the fuck. Why the fuck does it keep on leaving? Like, show me the fucking history, bro. Alright. Barca 5 times. Atletico 3. What about the match history? Where's that at? There you go. Whoa. We beat them 2-1 last time we played. They beat us 3-1, 1-0. Oh, fuck.
With me, someone to get money with, not take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the mark, take me off the map.
Oh my god, what are we gonna be able to catch here? Honestly, I think we gotta go for the brave sell right now. If we do want to catch a trade, we gotta take risks. That's evident. And the only thing I can think of right now is taking the sell. Is it gonna disrespect my sell though and just go up? Let me see. Small little chance, but I think I'm about to take the GU sell, chat. It does look like it's gonna come down, right? Bearish candlestick, continuation candlestick. I'd love for this to go up a little bit more and maybe be able to catch it right here, but can't ask for too much. Huge stop loss would be a good stop loss. The reason I like this sell a lot is because we rejected this 8 SMA right now, and this is what triggers in a whole bunch of buyers to be like, oh, we're ready to go up. But this could easily come back down and disrespect it, and then from if we even reach this level again, it's obvious that we're gonna come down and touch this level. Damn, dude, did we just do it? I'll be so shitty to lose like that though. After fucking trying to go for longs the whole time. Switching biases, hitting the sell. I think we're about to take this though. Oh my god, it's leaving without me. This looks so strong for a sell. I think we gotta do it. Oh my god! Please come back. If you come back, I'll do it. 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 Oh my god, it's coming back. Do we actually want to do it? Oh my god. Damn, is anybody in the sell right now? Anybody currently in GU or GJ sells? Oh my god, they both look like they're gonna go down. Oh, it bounced. It bounced. Bro, what the fuck is up with these charts today? Every time that I feel like I have a bias set, it just flips on me. And then I'm like, alright, we got the bias correct now. For sure we're good. We're going down. Then it starts going up. Like, Jesus. All right, I finally officially passed the first phase of one of my friends' 50Ks. He's in our Discord. I just didn't have the third trading day in, and I completely forgot to take it yesterday. I'm gonna post his challenge pass right here on the challenge pass section, of course. This guy, the ghost. When I get the thing, I'll post it. But my funny, dude, it's so funny. Look how the account's at 54,800. I thought I had to make $5,000, like always. It happens to me always. And so I literally sent him this, but I kept on trading it. I got it all the way down like to 54,200. Then I went to 54,900. Then I went to 54,500. I was dancing fucking around there, trying to get to fucking 55. And before I take my last trade, it's like at 54,200. I'm like, bro, I'm gonna go down beneath like 54 right now, and I need to get to 55, all from some stupid ass shit. And then I realized, I'm like, wait, isn't funding pips 8% to pass the challenge? Don't I need to I passed the challenge hella long ago, bro. I'm there looking for trades, fucking scalping up, scalping down, just trying to figure out how the hell to get past 50. Dude, this shit was gone past. That happened with me with you, Chris. Didn't that happen with me and you, Chris, on one of your challenges that I passed for you? Malotny Wonder. Pretty sure I passed one of your challenges also, and I was like trading a little bit past it. Oh, that was on your verification. Was that not on your verification? Was that not on like your verification where you're like, bro, why didn't you close the trade? It was passed. And I'm like, was it really? And you're like, yes, bro. Dude, I had this guy's challenge passed, and he was just waiting for me to close the trade, and I'm like, and I'm pretty sure I fucked over the account, I took away the profits, and then either he had to make it back or I had to make. I don't remember how it went. That's funny. The brain fart. I'm telling you, that happens to me so many fucking times. GG looked terrible. Terribly scary. Bro, gold. Gold's gonna keep on going down right now.
Fuck with that door like V. Not that rock, that P. Down in my sock, can't hold my Glock.
Damn, I think I might take the sell. We're going for the sell.
Limo 10 off at my car, yeah, I had it hurt. My bitch broke bad, I ain't had it hurt. Yeah, that's us. Two-tone AP, I'm buzzed. Got to hear from her, ain't even
I'm in the sell. I mean, I don't know, chat. Charts have not been looking the best right now, but being hesitant hasn't helped me much either, so I'm just gonna execute on this. I already entered. I can't wait shit. I can close if it comes back. I heard my parents celebrating around 3 a.m. They were clapping and shit. I don't know why. Damn, Lio, sounds like you're gonna have a baby brother.
I'm rocking with the line. Yeah, I'm rocking with the braid. Yeah, we pay. Yeah, we pay. I'ma turn it up a little more this time. Used to dream about getting out, got it on dry. I had a spot like a varsity. Whether you have you about 20, I front what you buy. I put on drip, I believe I can fly. Niggas know that I'm rich, but they know not to try. I had a show in Detroit and I started reviving. Spent 50 on all of the guys. All of these hoes in the store make a mission. And plus, I'm a get in your car and just put on your flashes and follow the hearse. And you say you gon' ride. Cause somebody gon' die if they fuck with us. Turn a 5 to a dime, that's a double.
Oh, Lio. You just got diddied by Xander. Come on, push. Push me. Then don't touch me. So I could get my satisfaction. Satisfaction. So, dude, do I even have music on? I do. Baby got 4 mil. Baby got chill. Baby one time one still. Baby got 5 mil.
Young turn niggas from the D to the A. I'm rocking with the lion. Yeah, I'm rocking with the brain. Yeah, we pay. Yeah, we pay. First turn nigga from the hood, they curious.
Oh my god.
Wait, what the fuck is that? Yo, whoever heard me singing that song right now, Baby, what song is that? Oh, it's called Baby by Baby, right? This is a song? Bro, we melted in profit! Ski-oo! We looking good. What's good? What's up? Got your nigga in the cut. Bro, who remembers Vine? Or are you guys too young? I feel like we got people way too young to know what Vine was. Oh yeah. Do it for the Vine. You already know. Do it for the one time.
Baby putting on for the city. Baby he the realest. Baby probably got a couple million. Baby having 4 or 5 killers. Baby got children. Baby probably still drug dealer. Baby ain't a trapper, he a rapper. Baby making classics. Baby in the hood getting active. Baby keep it real with his people.
GJ's gone.
Baby probably still sell reef.
Baby probably still got them bows. I told my bitch I'm faithful, but I still got the hoe. Baby getting jiggy, on stage with the glizzy. Baby CEO, shake the game like he did it. You would think it's Mardi Gras, I got the bitches.
Damn, that guy's gonna kill me for not sending this entry on Discord. The guy who tells me to send the entries all the time. Typically guys who's like, this guy either got a whole other Discord chat he's sending my signals to, or he got me connected to like a whole fucking mother load of accounts. Either or, I'm with it. He's a savage. Was too fast anyway. I know. It's coming back though. Fuck, it's coming back. I don't even know if we could even hold this thing. Jesus. That was a big recovery. I bet you GJ is still going down though. Oh, a little recovery. Gold, little recovery. GU. That's pretty ridiculous. That's what I'm, dude. These charts are just bouncing. Like, you gotta predict where it's moving before it moves, and then once it moves there, you gotta like try to take the bag. Like, there's no holding here. There's just. Hey, peepee boy. This guy peed on my $3,000 couch 2 nights in a row. I put diapers on him. He has like a little black diaper on, but it covers his pee-pee only. Dude shit on the carpet. I don't know what the fuck is up with my dog, who completely just forgot how to be potty trained, and now he's just behaving like a bad boy. Fucking $3,000 white couch. Got a whole bunch of piss on it. I had to go rent like one of these super machines that fuck, and I had to fucking suck it for a while, like for like fucking 3 hours, just straight sucking all the juice. Some syrup in the can and it's dry. Riding this special like Bunny and Clyde. Don't worry, baby, I keep me some fire. Shenanigans and burgers, she cannot decide. The ladies Mercedes will go to surprise. Don't sleep on Miss Lady, her pussy. Yo, we didn't get the chat to even answer. Majority of the chat, what do you guys think? Majority of the chat thinks that Atletico is winning today or Barca. I bet you we got a whole bunch of Barca bandwagons in this thing. I didn't even want to hear it. We're holding this. We're holding this until it goes actually into somewhat drawdown. Damn, dude, we were deep in profit. Like that? Are you kidding me? I mean, I feel like this 50 SMA needs to get tapped, bro. Jesus. And I thank God every day.
Every month, I found a girl my parents love. She'll come and stay the night, and I think I might have it all. And I thank God every day.
And I thank God every day.
My way, but I know the things he gives me, he can take away.
Oh my God, we might be fucked here.
And I hold you
I'm closing this at break even. Fuck that.
It's a feeling I wanna get used
Close,
to.
close, 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 close.
But there's no
Everybody
man
close. Fuck out of the trade.
terrified as the man
I'm out, and I was in profit when I was out. I put another buy down there. Damn, Chris is bearish, then he's bullish, then he's bearish. Oh my God, if this melts out on me right now, I have a feeling it's gonna melt out on me.
I want you, I need you, oh God.
I have a feeling it's gonna melt out on me. I already hopped out the trade though, chat. I'm not gonna lie to you.
These beautiful things that I've got,
Please,
please.
dude, don't melt out on me. That's whack, dude. I should have chosen a shorter stop loss. That's the problem with GU. I don't trade GU enough to know how much momentum, like. Bro, I wish I was trading my 200K live. Actually, I don't. I would have probably fucking blew some profits by now. Now the question is, are we ready to start going bullish? Across the board, GJ looks like it's getting ready. EU looks like it's getting ready. EU looks like it's getting ready as fuck. EU looks beautiful for longs. Look at this. Thing's setting up. I usually hit my big trade at 8 p.m. and then I can scalp smaller accounts throughout the day. Nice. Let's go look at the US 30. Dude, everything's a chop fest. The fuck? This cell still looks good. I'm not gonna lie to you. I might hop back in it. I don't even know why I closed, but the reason I closed is due to the fact that I don't even know. I don't really trade at this time. I'm over it. It's like, do I hop in it? I feel like it really could still melt out though. If you guys haven't closed GU, I mean, in hindsight, right? After the fact that this is going down, it does look good for the sell.
How's your son? He made the team this year? He said he wasn't tall enough.
All the glitter is not gold.
Yeah, we're gonna cook this
gold is
Sunday.
not reality.
Come
Blue
out.
is what you live.
That's your new girlfriend?
This is family business, and this is for the family that can't be with us. And this is for my cousin locked down, know the answers in us. That's why I spit it in my song, so sweet like a photo of your granny's picture. Now that you're gone, it hit us super hard on Thanksgiving and Christmas. This can't be right. Yeah, you heard the track I did, man. This can't be life. Somebody please say grace so I can say face.
Gold performs. See?
Made you a plate. Soul food, know how granny do it. Monkey bread on the side, know how the family do it. When I brought it, why the car had to look all through it. As kids, we used to laugh. Who knew that life would move this fast? Who knew I have to look at you through a glass and look?
Ain't that crazy? It's only been an hour and 18 minutes. Why the fuck does it feel like it's been longer than that? GJ 4 hour looks like a ripple fib. You're talking about to the downside, right? Or like to the upside? Dude, this formation right here, I'd consider it ripple fib. Like before we had that, I mean like one level of resistance, ascending level support, one level of resistance, fake out, resistance, higher level support, resistance. I mean up to here, I was thinking we were gonna fly. Like, oh, wrong one. I thought that this was beautiful. Fucking take that and you're gonna win no matter what. With this price action right here, this looks like a ripple to me. The rest, I don't even think it looks like a ripple to the downside or the upside. If I zoom out, like to the downside, more of like this being support level. I'm talking about this ripple fib. The concept is not wrong with this, right? Like the concept is not wrong at all with this. It's an accumulation of support. We are having lower levels of resistance, and I mean, damn, yeah, this makes it look like hell yeah, this support level is gonna break. Yeah, good shit, Pizza King. You're completely onto something. Completely onto something, yes sir. Pizza King, what the hell is your Instagram name, or is this like what's your Discord name? What the fuck are you? This guy said ripple fib like he comes here all the time. I mean, Pizza King. I don't know if I've seen that name before. Dude, I love the day that I meet somebody that does not know who the fuck I am, and they're like, "Yo, bro, you don't want to trade that like a ripple fib on the screen right there?" And like somebody just tells me that they trade their ripple fib and they don't fucking know me. It's like we're gonna just like there's the bond right off the bat. 1 month, bro. Nice, brother. I'm glad that you are, I don't know, enjoying the streams or taking advantage of the knowledge that there is to give. Good shit, brother. And the gold sell, the GU sell is going to play out. Did I come up with the term? I did not come up with the term. I learned this off Daniel Savage. Does Daniel Savage use it or talk about it anymore? I actually have no idea. Yeah, dude. I don't remember. I don't know. It's just always been a part of my arsenal of trades. Like it was a part of the first things that I ever processed, and it was one of the most useful. And from there on out, it's just always been one of my go-tos. One who also used to be really good at trading, and I don't know if he trades anymore, JP Savage. He was actually a good trader, I'm not gonna lie to you.
Let's get Stevie out of jail.
Bro, why the fuck does it say that I... Like, do I need to open a trade for a certain amount of time or something? Like, it keeps on saying that this is the third trading day. I'm 100% sure. Why the fuck does it say the challenge not passed? I'm going to hold a trade for more than 30 seconds, I guess. Hold up. And I thank God every day for the good he sent my way. This thing's going to melt perfectly. Look at the wick fill that we're going to get right now. New 15-minute candlestick opening up. This thing is about to go to the downside, boys. This thing is about to go to the downside. What is this, Chris? What do you got on your screen? Wada Otter Explosion? What the fuck is this? What you got going on your screen, bro? Look what he got. He got like a list of indicators or something like that. Like, what is this? Wait, let me see. You came up with the term. I didn't hear that term until I came here. Leading indicator, range filter, confirmation indicator, rational quadratic kernel, range detector, the parabolic SAR. I know what that is. I don't know what the WADA after explosion is. You guys, this is crazy. You are a funny dude. This guy's like Tony Stark behind the goddamn screen trading. Oh, pivot levels are also something that I like. Bro, I can't figure out how to get this challenge passed. Like, I literally can't. Should I just risk $100?
Baby, I got a plan. Run away as fast as you can. 24/7, 365. Just stays on my mind. I did it. Alright, I admit it. Now pick your next move. You can leave or live with it. It could buy crane with that off top off. Split and go where? Back to wearing knockoffs high. Knock it off. Neiman shop it off.
GBPJPY at the bottom of the range, ranging. Gold. Slowly building a level of support. I think it's still going to go downwards though. GU. Give it to me, please.
You should leave if you can't accept the basics. Plenty of tools in a ball and looking matrix. Invisibly set, the Rolex is faceless. I'm just young, rich, and tasteless. P. Never was much of a romantic. I could never take the intimacy. And I know it did damage. Cause the look in your eyes is killing me. I guess you knew an advantage. Cause you could blame me for everything. And I don't know I'ma manage if one day you just up and leave. And I always find something wrong. You've been putting up with my just way too long. I'm so gifted at finding what I don't like the most. So I think it's time for us to have a toast. Let's have a toast for the douchebags. Let's have a toast for the let's have a toast for the scumbags. Every one of them that I know. Let's have a toast for the jerk-offs that'll never take work off. Baby, I got a plan. Run away fast as you can.
They clear freight losses all the time as it shows for price. No, I know. I have a friend that used to usually use these pivot zones on FOREX. He brought them from options trading. Did I take this on your client's 50K account? I did not. Oh, I did, but I'm out of it already. I closed at break even. I closed it at break even the first touch. I haven't hopped back in it. And then I have another 50K account that I'm trying to get the third trading date on. It's not working. This guy's account that I passed. Today's the third day. I took in the third trade and it just keeps on saying. Phase 2. Everything's recovering now. German 40 long. I'll go look at it right now. This guy's account that I passed in 2 days, it's been the third trading day, maybe the fourth, and it keeps on saying there's only 2 trading days. The fuck? I'm literally all the way at 5,400 now. I'm from 5,400. Just wasting profits trying to get the trading day in. Now it's good for sell. What's good for sell? Everything? What did he say? German 40. The German 40. What this guy say? Anna said long, right? Yeah, that's good. I was about to say. That shit was doing a ripple at one point, almost. Oh my god, what a recovery. Where's my pen? I have not hit any pen today. That's probably exactly why we haven't won a trade. I need a little bit of my wicked magic wand. Dax long on the 10 minute. I don't have the 10 minute out. You guys use the 10. I need to pull out my 10 minute. Where is this shit? 10 minute. Matter of fact, we should pull out the 45 minute at that point also. Got everything up on the board. Y'all ever pull out the 45 minute chart? Let me see what the 45 minute chart says on GU. It's the 45 minute out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, what the fuck just happened? ¿Cómo estás, muchacho? Todo bien, papi. The fuck is that? Why is something weird keep on popping out? El Salvador greets Cuba Libre. Wait, it's El Salvador that has the Are you from El Salvador? Anton, where the fuck are you from? Pull out the 3 in the 6 month. Oh, the sell is playing out, chat. Why does it keep doing that? See what others don't with custom intervals. I don't want to do that. Like, what the fuck is that? Why does it keep on doing that? What do I keep on clicking that is making it do that? Yo! Why does it do that? Why is it giving me fucking... Yo, you're from El Salvador? This is El Salvador, the guy that has the president who's a beast? Let me see if I know what the fuck I'm talking about. El Salvador president. Nayib Bukele, it is him. This guy is a beast, bro. There's few guys that walk this earth with the amount of confidence and with the amount of logic that this guy has. This is more of the amount of people that we need in power. People that have logic, that think, and they apply the thought. More than that, dude. This guy is more than that. This guy literally knows how to turn bullshit upside down, right? How do you do that? You gotta be aggressive. You gotta attack the problems face first. That's what he does. He's a fucking beast. I love that he's always shown support to Trump, but after the Colombian president told Trump to turn his plain ass around, he literally told, got a tattoo? Yeah, go to prison, bro. It's not like that. Like, it is like that, but it's not. But when you get deep into it, I mean, when you're tattooed MS-13 across the body, I mean, at the end of the day, bro, at the end of the day, you know, you can't really say you're not gang related if you're fucking... Point is, I love the fact that when Colombia sent the president back, this guy's figuring out how the hell we're gonna house a whole bunch of American immigrants. Well, immigrants that are in the United States. This guy's a beast, dude. This guy's literally... This guy's the man. Why does it do that? Why am I getting ads? Is it because I have too many of these little bullshits out? The fuck is that? Bro, when... Bienvenido a El Salvador! That guy should go as one of the greatest leaders of all time. I didn't even read that. Come to visit us? Oh, hell no, bro. They're gonna think I'm a part of some Shogun ass Cobra Kai motherfucking Shogun gang or some shit, I'm gonna get my ass locked up in there. I'm gonna have to call President Trump and be like, Daddy, get me out of here, bruh. Get me out of here. He's part Jew. Diddy? No, Daddy, not Diddy. Daddy. Miami que wet. Oye, qué onda. Qué tremenda venga. Oye, qué hueta. Qué hueta. Damn, this thing's gonna play out beautifully. But don't she just run away? He gotta show him that it's that real. He ran up on her with the pipe like stand still. We took my brother like 5. Jesus, oh my. Each had what the hell with this guy's name? GJ Longs. I wouldn't take the long impulse. I mean, I'd kind of just be patient, but I do agree the fact that, I mean, us getting to this level of resistance right now is a huge breakthrough for the long position. I could easily see us getting to this level right here now. Nonetheless, I'd be scared to place a stop loss way too short. I am far from New Jersey, brother. Oof. I have family that lives in New Jersey, though. Yes, sir. Oklahoma. Alabama, Arkansas. I do love my mom and pa. Alabama. This guy said I'd talk like, dude, when you meet somebody that talks like they're from Oklahoma, you're not even gonna understand them. If you're from El Salvador, man, I already know how Miami people are. When you go to Florida, you're not gonna see Americans. You don't see what an American is. If you go anywhere else outside of Florida, you'll see what Americans are. Go to California, listen to how they talk. That's American. Go to anywhere else besides Florida, and you will hear how Americans talk. And what I've noticed about my Latin friends speak English up until they meet an American. Then they're like, I didn't understand anything that guy said. What it do, Ali? She played the Drake Nokia, the Drake Snake. You talking about the Drake Snake, bruh? High key, I feel like gold has more bearish in it. This looks like it might pop upwards, but I feel like it might pop downwards. Oh, there's the downwards movement. Let's see if it holds. GJ does look like it's getting ready to go up. GU, absolutely, I think take profits getting hit. Actually, not absolutely, but... All right, my headphones don't work. What the fuck? Yeah, I don't know how to get my headphones to work. It's fine. I don't gotta listen to Shabuzi. Gold is going to go down, boys. GJ is going to go up. GU hopefully does not follow GJ and goes down. If gold goes down, that means GU goes down. So this is looking great. Gold and GU are both looking like they're going to go bearish. For those who are looking to get into a trade, looking to get out of a trade, looking to hold the trade, that is the information I got for you. I've been boozy since I left. I ain't chasing for a check. Tell my mama. Oh, Lord. One. Here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. Bar get tipsy. Do, do, do. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy.
Here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. When it's last call and they kick us out the door. It's getting kind of late.
Push!
Oh my good Lord.
Did anybody hold this GU sell, chat? Anybody currently in this GU sell, hold the GU sell, take it when it came back to break even? Anything like that? Nobody got no upper deckies in? Told you gold was going to start melting. This thing's about to go, go, go. GU follow, GU follow, GU follow.
Yo, fuck you, Kanye, first and foremost.
Push!
Last night we let the liquor talk. I can't remember everything we said, but we said it all. You told me that you wish I was somebody you never met. But baby, baby, something's telling me this ain't over yet. No way it was our last night. I kissed your lips, make you grip the sheets with your fingertips. Last bottle of Jack, we split a fit. Just talking about life, going sip for sip. Yeah, you know you.
All right, is there any chance we hop into any other positions here? I don't know about a goal. I mean, the only thing, we still have a chance to hop into this sell if we do think the sell is going to play off. GJ, I wouldn't take the buy or the sell. I think it's gold sells. Besides holding GU, the only thing that I could think of right now is gold sells. GJ longs. I like the fact that it got back to this resistance level, and I like the fact that it's, you know, slowly building up support levels. We're just so deep into New York session that I don't know if GJ is even something I want to be trading. Or the GU. Oh my god, there it goes. Hence why we never close break even. Hence why we never fucking close break even. All right, boys, whoever's here in the chat, what do you guys want me to break down right now? You guys want me to go to any pair in specific and try to catch a trade on it? You guys want to share the trade that you guys have currently open? You guys want insights on what do you guys think is going to happen? I mean, give me something to work with here, chat. Give me something to work with here, chat. We just barely called out a beautiful gold sell after not really knowing what to take for the first hour of stream. Came back to break even. Tragedy happens, and it is what it is. Those who held out strong, I'm glad that you guys got to take profit. If anybody actually took this sell. Hopefully somebody took this sell. Oh, I like this song. We're going down, down in the studio ground. Sugar, we're going down swinging. I'm being number one with a bullet. A loaded gun complex. Target and bullet. We're going down, down. Why did we take this sell? All right. 30-minute closed bearish. Next 30-minute continuation candlestick. This continuation candlestick is something that we trade all the time. All the time, all the time. So when it came down to it, two things. Let me erase everything off the board. 1 hour candle, right? We had 1 hour, 2 hours. This 1 hour candle did a fake out that I teach all the time on stream. Try remembering this one. Notice how we respected this 8 SMA, right? The hourly closed above it. Whenever you get price closed just right above the SMA, just right above it, like if it was supposed to respect it and fly upwards, that's a perfect time for there to be a fake out. That's where you need to be the most cautious. The most cautious. We closed above the 8 SMA, showing that we respected it. Next hourly comes, obliterates. That was also followed up by the 30-minute telling, I guess that was before that now that I'm looking at it. And before that, it was 30-minute continuation candlestick. Just like if we were taking a long here, this long came out. After this continuation candlestick plays out, we know that we're going to keep on going upwards. Right? Here, the continuation candlestick kind of fucked over people. Nonetheless, they don't play out 100% of the time. But it was the big bear candlestick, the continuation candlestick that really gave it to me. And then once we started seeing that, I mean, this just did not look long. Once we were like around here, this lower right here, it just did not look like that was the meant for the recovery to go upwards. It looked like it needs to tap this 50 SMA, and that was exactly what I called out would happen. I said we'd go and hit this 50 SMA on the 1 hour, and there it is. Based off of the 2 hour, there's not really much to break down there. Based off of the 4 hour, not much either. It really just comes down to that inner price action that we had. Wow, this thing really is obliterating. I need you break down and break dance for men. What are you even talking? All right, boys, we're gonna call it a stream there. We're gonna call it a stream. Pizza King. If you have any more questions, I'm glad to I'm glad to answer your questions, brother. If anybody else has any more questions, I will. Dude, this thing's. Damn. What the fuck's happening here? This thing's going. All right, boys. Much love to you, boys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being a part of the stream. I adore you guys. GJ's going long.